As a previous owner and a current owner of a German Shepherd, I would like to talk about what it's like to own one and how they've impacted my life and my family as a whole. So, we recently adopted a new German Shepherd this past December over winter break. With that, we named him Dita. Since we got Dita, we have learned that he is very well played with, very intelligent, able to learn new tricks like sit, paw really quickly that we had no clue he was able to do. He loves to play fetch. He likes to be outside. German Shepherds are very easily to take care of, maintain, look over you, and they love to be watchdogs for our house when we're gone and when we're with them.